What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Geeks. We are back for another video. I am here at the Santa Clarita clearance store. I don't know. We starting off the new year, starting off at the clearance store. See what's up. All right, they did open up, and oh, there's nothing, just golf. Damn, there's nothing here today. Came early as hell hoping for something. Got some LeBron size 10 right there, the Palmers. Couple of golf sneakers. That's about it, yo. Damn, dude. Dope. Can't win every time. I am still Christmas shopping. I do need apparel and sneakers. I guess I should go check the 9.5 first. All right, let's go check the 9.5s and then I'll check apparel after. Let's do it. Let's do it. Checking in the 9.5s. We got a bunch of iShod wears, signature sneaker. These are 40, these are 50. Another color right here, we've seen those for quite some time. Those are 50 as well. Size 10, Air Max 270s. People seem to love these. Oh, this is a golf. I didn't know they make 270s in the golf. Oh, dang, some stuff we haven't seen. Air Force Ones, these are Nike by Youth. Like a Chicago Air Force One Nike by You. That's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. If you can find a Nike by You, always get sick deals. $60 for Air Force One Nike by You's. That is not bad. These are size 10s. Back to the 9.5s. Do got some Infinities. Kyrie Infinities going for $60. LeBron Soldiers going for $60. LeBron 19 Lows going for $70. Another colorway of the iShods going for $50. I don't think I see anything for... I don't think I see anything for presents. Dang it. The nephews, one of them was like, should I buy these, the Burrows? And they're starting to get into sneakers. I was like, don't buy those. You're going to regret that purchase. They're so glad they didn't buy it. I got them some Forces and I bought them some other stuff. Back to the size 10. Do got some ADG4 Golfs going for $80. 10.5s. Do got a ton of these Jordan, what was it, 36 Lows. Got a bunch going for $80 a piece. And that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Kyrie Low 5s going for $50. That's the cheapest we've seen that ever. Dang, more of those Jordans. Holy crap. Ton of these iShods. 10.5. 11s. Vapor Max. Going for $100. 2021 Flyknits. Of course, we're gonna find LeBrons for $100. 2090s going for $80. There's more of these. It's at size 11, right? I'm pretty sure I did. All right, $80. More of those. Suna slides. People have been telling me how comfy those are. $25. Pegasus Trail 4 is going for $60. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Harachis going for $60. Size 12s. Immortality 2s going for $40. We're going through the sneakers pretty quick because I'm just looking for stuff that we haven't seen. I feel like I've come here like so many times and want to be too redundant. Jumpman 2 trays going for $70. These are 11.5. Did they turn this Kyrie box inside out? That stood out. That's funny. I was like, what is that? That's a Kyrie box inside out. And there's a Monarch going for $40. 11.5 SB Shanes going for $40. Witness 6 Team Bank going for $40. That's a 12. Jordan Air 200 going for $60. Or the Witness 6 is $40. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen Witnesses. 12.5. We got these Kyrie Infinities going for $60. This is a dope colorway, dude. Super dope colorway. Size 13s Team Bank colorway of the KD 13s going for $70. I haven't seen these in a while. What the fly traps are going for. These are 12 though. $40. If you need like sprinting cleats or spikes, that type of stuff, super cheap place to get them. $35 for those sprinting cleats. I don't know which one. Still in the size 13 section. Here's a size 11 though. I don't know why. $75. That's the most expensive center court we've seen in quite some time. I've seen these as low as like $40 here. Blazer Lows going for $40. Dang, why couldn't I find a 9.5 of these before? Dang it. Checking the smaller size. They've had these Flightposite 2s here forever. Still 100? Like, why don't they lower those? Still seeing these LeBrons. These are fire. Such a fan of these. $100 for those. I do have one of these at home. Got multiple in the size 9s. Okay. I did check the Nike app for these. All they got are size 8s and 9s here. Remember, you can't check the Nike app to see what they have in store. As long as you can scan one of the items. The Go Fly is going for 60. Another one of those LeBron 8 hardwood classics. Infinity, Kyrie Infinity going for $60. Checking out the size 8s now. The Air Max 90s going for 70 bucks. Air Max 95 go for 80. Man, I'm so not a fan of these Prestos, like with all that extra rubber on it. Oh, not a fan. 70 bucks. Got a bunch of the golf cleats. If you guys need golf cleats, $70 for the Infinity Tours. Black one, same price. If you guys like running shoes, this place is the spot. Invincible Run Flying is going for 80. All right, we're 16 minutes in, and resellers, they work quick. That's why you gotta be hella quick. Go through the sizes really quick. I'm primarily here to just show you guys what they got. I only need to check 9.5, 10.5. Didn't really find anything, unfortunately. Oh, do they got more sizes of these? Ooh, they got more sizes of these. I do need these. Well, I don't need them, but I want these. It's tough saying I need something when I have like 900 pairs of sneakers at home. Let's keep it real. Damn, all they got are size 9s and 12s. Mother lovers. That's jacked up, man. Why are you guys teasing me like that? Checking the apparel section. Jordan jacket. Fleece jacket go for $30. This does have that nice, I like that embroidery on it. Yeah, this is kind of, it's kind of thin though. It is kind of thin. I am a fan of these hoodies. Oh, this is like hella thick, and the inside material is just like super soft. That fleece material. They had a different color. I'd so grab these. $30. They do have large, medium, XL. Man, those are dope, dude. Just the color, just not perfect for what I want. We got Toon Squad jackets going for $80. I'm surprised it took so long for these to come here. They're just stuck somewhere, I guess. I don't know about you guys. I buy stuff off season all the time. So shorts, in my opinion, great time to get shorts. $20. Look at that. Normally 15 down to 20. These are fleece Nike shorts. Like, quality on them seems nice. If you guys need running shorts, some short running shorts where you can show off your goods, they got those too. They're short shorts. They don't got prices on them though. I didn't see a price tag. These short shorts got a price tag on them. These are $30. This is a double XL. That tiny thing is a double XL. Apparently I like to entertain myself while I'm talking to you guys. $25 for these fleece shorts. These are a lot thinner though. Got some gray shorts. These are XL though. These are XL, I believe. Yeah, XL. $20 for those, double XL. Got tech fleece shorts. These are long pants. Some sweats. They're $140. They're definitely not $140. These usually are like $60 something. Damn, I was hoping to find another one so I could show you guys the price. Nah, don't got them. They do have the golf pants going for $30. These are normally like $80. 85, normally 85. We got a bunch of different sizes. 34, 30, I think that would fit me. 36, yeah, they got a bunch of sizes. Got a different version of those, down to 30. Yeah, these are different looking, right? Yep. The Jordan Diamond shorts, these are fleece. Like, I love fleece, but I can't buy black fleece because it does fade. $25 for these. These are XLs right here. They got a bunch of them. These are super thick too. Some more running tights. Normally 85 down to $30. These are XL though. These are SB shorts, aren't they? Got some skating shorts. Oh, they're golf shorts. My bad. Size 32, $70. These aren't $70. Okay. Well, I'm looking. Not finding the craziest stuff today. $150 jackets out at 60. Poofy jacket right here. Nike fleece jacket down to 30. Got different sizes, yeah, small, large, extra large. These things, is this a Cavs colorway? Cavs got $30 for these. Okay. All right, before I leave, I do gotta check the 9.5 one more time. I just always check just in case I miss something. those were here before we got here, so there were empty spaces. All right, the spot's been open for about 30 minutes now. I have been keeping an eye on the cart. They have not brought anything out. Damn, maybe they blew their load the last couple days. Dang it. I think I'm out, dude. I think it's gonna be a short visit, but I showed you guys everything I need to show you guys. All right, that was the first time I've come here, like right when they opened or before they opened. That's the first time I've ever done that in a long time, and they didn't have much. I've heard certain days they got a bunch of stuff, certain days they don't. I don't know. And I happened to pick the day where they didn't have much. So sorry, guys. Sorry I couldn't show you guys a bunch of stuff. I was hoping to find something. I'm meeting up with some family members today, so I was hoping to find something for them, but didn't work out. But that's kind of how the Nike Outlet game works. Hope you guys are having a great New Year. I forgot to wish you guys a Happy New Year on the prior videos. Hope you guys are having a Happy New Year, and hopefully we can all come up and stuff. But yeah, that was the Santa Clarita Nike clearance store, and that's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for making it to the end, you guys. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification. Got plenty of videos, and yeah, got a video coming every day. Hopefully I can do 2 a days on some days. We'll see. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Damn, I didn't even show you guys what I was wearing. I am wearing some Cortez. These are the, what the hell is these called? I don't know. The ones with the recycled material and stuff like that. I'm wearing white socks. I got brand new socks, so I'm throwing all my socks away, but I happen to have washed them, so I was like, oh man, I gotta wear them one last time before I throw them away. Do you guys do that too, or would you guys have just thrown them all away right after you washed them? I don't know, let me know, because I was like, dang it, I don't want to have to wash them for nothing, so wearing them one last time, and these will go in the trash. Santa Clarita. I'm here at the Santa Clarita. I am here at the Santa Clarita clearance store. One of those LeBron, another one of those LeBron 8. Is this LeBron 8, right? So LeBron 8,